kuphuma iAK thina besintwana esibukela amaHotman ashaya iAK ngesandla esi1 kanje yabona fanele angikhulumi ngezemfene asikakafiki emfeneni
siyaye
yawuthampe ngeke kubuye Kansas City
awukutshele bathi Kansas yabona mina vele
eKansas sibona ngimfene kuphela sibona izinto deeper than imfene
imfene first day
imfene futhi siyayazi siyayibona ezulu imfene obviously besimangele ukuthi sibone eKazi manje that phela into lesigcina masiyezungu ngama trip esikhela yabona I don't imagine ukuthi ngayibona that yabo mara kunale oyibona ukuthi this one is not a normal one
kanjani
ngazohlala umuntu omncane badala sibancane sinamanxeba eKenza mfethu mfethu simagosogoso eKenza mfethu masingakhiphela ika
but the government the way yakhe khona izindlu like uyabona ukuthi he was trying something bro izindlu zakhona indle 1 suppose ukuthi ngabe indle 1 ihlala ama family ayi3
ABC nale way yakhe ngakhona nje
ayakhanga ngidina so ufike wabeka
Welcome to the Dover Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Ganda. I do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. You're new to the channel. Where have you been? Please subscribe. Press the notification bell so let's join the membership. Is road to 200,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you like the channel, as well as you watch the episode until the end and don't skip the ads. Thank you so much to those who are doing that, and please donate. Our details shown after the disclaimer. It helps the podcast a lot. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. Highly appreciated. Thank you. James, how are you on Grace?
Siphethe uDamatin ezaseKenza ne
danko
hayi yabona le baba ngekitting ngeke ubuye ngekitting always baba
on point
always on point baba
yabona nje yakho ngathi ayithinda
but
why you be clean kanje wena why you be clean
abunjivana mfethu please ayinini I think sonke isikhathi ohlalayo la ufunda izinto okade ungazinaki ongaphandle ngawe ukuthi ungaziyenza yabo
serious
maka I think more than anything I can say ufuzo of yena kwi time lami nalobo kunjivana leya iku construction maka nithulusi layo elihlini ngathi ayi leya hayi
kasha
bheka leya kusho ukuthi mayiqeda ukusipana ithulusi liyagezwa ithulusi manje libe clean libuyele kahle intweni zakhona nehembe lalo mamela leya even noma isha ihembe afuta mina ngenza kancane kuleya leya umthethe mfethu straight
ya press
la insombi kakhulu so ngisho ukuthi angifinde ngile ngathatha nakuyo
yabo so tena nifunda nokuba clean like izinto zakho kumele ihlale zikwi order
uyangithola mfethu kumele ukuthi uhlale I think into le yakufundisa nawe ukuthi amani mawumjida yabo kancane akusho ukuthi manje ngoba maybe you are going through izinto that you are going through zona mile manje unyabe manje uzekelele yabo mfethu angithola mfowethu angithola uthami plaza nawe unitshebeka igrand kanjani uma bamela angithola
mara ngathi mara mina angazi ngabona yabona umuntu oshayinisa ibhathu utswempu abantu ababuye ejele bayishayinisa
angeke ubuya uthami sayishisa
stupid
bheka sayishisa kusho ukuthi siqala phansi kusho ukuthi ibhathu siqala phansi yangithola ibhathu empunga siqala phansi siyenza ibe painted senze ibe so ichine kusho ukuthi lapha yamfethu ngathini it's a small world whereby yonke into iyafostiwa yangithola even amanzi ukuthi if amanzi ayabanda senza iplan ukuthi amanzi ashise amanzi mele ashise lawa sizogeza kanjani ngamanzi abandayo ku winter that time asinamagedlela asina next sahlanganisa mfethu amathini yangithola sihlanganise sibekela phakathi la sibeke toothbrush la sithathe lokhuzana intambo ye1 obviously copper sigace lapha emlilweni elayitini sithathe 1 sibeke ku earth silahlele lento lapha phakathi kwamanzi lapha after about 15 minutes amanzi sawayabila uyacima uyagezwa mnandi iayini mayengekho thatha ibhuruko lakho grand ulifake eplastikini uyalganda uyalifafaza ngamanzi uyalganda uyalinyathela uyalganda kusho ukuthi yabona manje stamping yabona kusho ukuthi angithola angitawuna ayini phela mele manje maye visit mfethu mele ukuthi uyevisit at least to straight inyana yangithola amele angizoye visit manje umashwabashwabene manje uzo stress uma already worse ngada uma already stress already ukuthi uyapanti intwana encane phela mina uthame ngene edanyana ngina 18 years you understand what classic says from the age of 18 nje kusho ukuthi nje 18 19 20 21 ngiphile nje da ngithola kusho ukuthi ngidode da kusho ukuthi ngiboshwa ngingaka explore mo yangithola ngakaboni umhlaba kahle
wena umhlaba ohlakaniphele ko idanyana
uyangithola so mangifika la phakathi le kula ke ngifike khona ke ngahead ukuthi ke nginavigate ke yangithola ngifunda impilo kulomhlaba lo omncane and ke lapha yana ke mamela ke uphila nama creature uphila nama hyena uphila nama chimpanzees uphila nama mamela abonjivana wazi ama juveniles thabo mpeki makathi juveniles are good for nothing letha mali la belingakhuluma amanga baba intwana lezi ahlanya amajuvenile ayahla kunamajuvenile ahlanyayo so thina abanye siboshwe nabantu abahlanyayo maka saphuma sa survive
mfana ushithi le skill lesok ayina vele sisebenza uba sinenkinga yogesi
ngiyakutshela utha usho wena kanjani futhi awuthami kamfethu ngithola abona futhi manga uyazi ukuthi vele ugesi awukho shona ukuthi kusasa uzoba khona vele uprepare today thatha plus futhi obviously lana ibase imnandi yombheda ayifani neyasedanyana lesedanyana insimbi ezihamba so mele ukuthi uphinde ubalance uthole ibox inyana ukuthi at least mawuyibeka into yakho mavuke kuseni ingabi ngathi ngophela lapha so umbhede at least uflat abana mawuyibekile grand ubese uphinde ulala phezulu kwayo mawulala ebusuku mavuke kuseni straight la idea
kumele ngalokho shift
noma nga shift mawushifta futhi uyayiayina ke vele ke yayizwa lento ayina mawushifta yangithola
namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume ngeWhite City Uganda nayo uphume eWhite City abantu abaningi makhuluma ukuthi iWhite City kunobuthakathi bathi awuqinisile so ngifuna ukuthola like ngifuna ukuthatha ungibeke ukuthi kahle lekasi kuze lidominate ngobuthakathi kwenzaka ikasi enjani liphuma apha enhleke ne ngokubuka kwakho yini izinto ezigcina zenza ukuthi likasi ligcine selidominate ngobuthakathi yabo angazi kanti ufuna ukubeka something before singena
hayi Kansas sibali mina ngikhulile eKenza mara ngava kabuthana mix eKenza ale being alter bengigeleze St Matthews so mangiqala isigela Rockville White City bengoka mina ithaba yami ngisuse eKenza ngizohlala yika olele dosi libona nalo ukuthi mela shithi bokungena Kenza bafethi ngindlela ngapho kuphilwa nje I understand ukwenzakalani nami bengibuza kulabo thatha izintwana
survival of the fittest
shuthi ezinye izinto bengazi understand ukuthi yabona some of the things benokuzibuza abanokungikhumbuza zona namanje ukuthi banokujoka ngazo edladleni bathi bekunokuthi mangiseKenza ngibuza uMagriz uthi like wani niyochamela ngaphandle yabo ayikhulela yini manje ucela isigela ngaye eKenza hayi ngichamela ngaphandle why abantu kunabantu edladleni kunabantu ababhaya abaphuza like ukuphuzwa insango ngiqala uyibone eWhite City Ngibloma nama babumkhulu wami bonke babheminza. Hlale caravan. Ngintwana. Siwoka wala impilo leto kunobuchizi nyana letos. Sithi besoka from bengihlale ema2. Soka semfule 5 roses sodlala khona. Usingenele endlini ngabo ma 8-9. Ngeke umuntu uzokubuza ukuthi uyapi or ini. Ngayetos ngecave. Ngo6 bekubese so sendlini nani. Ucela ukubona kwami iBM esipina ngayibona eCares. Yabona la ngihlala khona kunamanye ama-shop la yazi kaMcKinsey.
Ya ngiyabona lapha
Yeah, mangihlala la main road.
Yeah,
kaMcKinsey mara ngizasinyana ngaseyipeleheni. Opposite McKinsey kunamanye ama-shop la. Namanye amahulumani ngabe waspina la yebe waspina ama-BM ama-5 series la orika ngawo last. Bengabonela la mina ama-5 series lawo ama-Meshbox lawo ama-5 series lawo. Spin ngicela ukubona ukuspina ama-BM ugebengu ngibone kakhulu eWhite City. Hayi bengekho la.
Kusho ukuthi kunobugebengu.
Bengekho into engekho. Awuthi egcineni anye ukukhulume ngekasi ongalazi. The reason why ngikhuluma ngeWhite City, ngikhulele eWhite City. You understand? From ebuncaneni kusho ukuthi le into akhuluma ngazo umfowethu lezi ama-BM. Thina saza ama-hotman ukuthi bewashaya iBM ekasi yabo ukuthi manje uyazi ukubiza amagama abantu but bengihlala same street nalo lela hotman kusho ukuthi bengiba intwana encane ngime egedini ngithi sisamile bebidlala ama-ali BM liyehla ngereverse BM alehla ngereverse ukuthi uyabheka evena bokhati yalandela mawuthi uyabheka lo muntu lo wamgijimisa ushaya iBM ngereverse makafika le marobotini le aliphendule makaliphendule ulibisela labo uyakhona alikhuphule sintwana sibhekele izinto lezo mamela uthame sintwana sibhekele izinto lezo alikhuphule le man liye phezulu iBM mali yaphezulu iBM amahata ngithi manje overs na ayabuyela abafaka emagroundini la man makabafaka emagroundini la man athi dust usho ukuthi balimamele ukuthi adume balidume bengasalizwe ukuthi selidume ngakuphi ke ema6 or ema5 or ema14 or ema16 makuphela idust abokhata abasazi ukuthi baye right or baye left gone boys
My dust seclila kusena
manje yabona bheka yabona abantu bheka uyabona abantu abacavalela Hotman la yabona mangaba ucava khona enye movie abakabayibiza ngegama lela Hotman la makabalibiza ngesilungu khona enye movie bathi gone in 60 seconds le gama lela Hotman la igama lakhe ke bokuyizulu ke ungacabanga ukuthi ngezulu uma kuthiwa seconds kusho ukuthini and then you will understand what I'm talking about angaze ngabona izinto eso mina custom ngibone imovie yeah mina ngibone imovie mina custom ngibone amasoja adubula amaphoyisa kabi ngenxa ukuthi amaphoyisa azo interfere inamba ehambayo lapho kule namba le ehambayo obviously imokolo mara obvious amasoja at that time awagqokanga uniform kusho ukuthi kubuya vele emokolweni so amahata ngathi athiphiwe so amahata afika ngeVuruvayi athola ukuthi kanti kune military squad la qhumi AK thina besintwana esibukela amahotman ashaya AK ngesandla esi1 kanje yabona fanele ngikhuluma ngezemfene asikakafike emfeneni
siyaye
yothampe ngiyabonye kubuye Kansas City
awutshele bathi Kansas yabona mina vele ngikhulele emathuba ngithi iliphi wena ikasi kusemangakhe la ubona ukuthi angathi akusemlilweni kakhulu
like manje at this moment
from dala maybe up until no maybe angazi
benyeke ngisho because ikasi nekasi beline clever yalo but unumber 1 we-steering bekaziwa ukuthi ubani abanga comment bazocomment bayazi ukuthi makufika la ilast number bokubani i-out bekwazi ukushiya i-helicopter ithi mele to another side of the bridge kanti damane sekayihudulile wayifaka ku-entry nge-reverse sekayifostorus manje akasayi N12 nina ningazodlala
kanjani
buza mina buza amakhotmane thina lawo basicocele kasi ke mabase roundini akazi abanjwa mabahamba mabava nalezi ya ningabuza no Sylvester Mfuki ngiyacava lo khotmane engikhuluma ngalo angalivuma nalo
She helicopter.
emfethu helicopter obviously ngithi offer bridge igaka phela zavaya ama bridge phela ngithi helicopter icabangani iBM leya le helicopter lidlule licabanga nangizomela ngale leya dayiding le ivele decide nje ihudu liBM ilidonsa ngereverse ilifake to phosphorus
Yeba.
mangena to phosphorus iliphendule ilibisele ke manje libheke ke manje ke phezulu ke manje ke gone boys babuye kasi sibabone kasi babuye bevangele iBM elimhlophe la khona khona beku 777 ngiyazabona amakhuluma nge 777 bengivele ngibaseleke ngoba nami ngizalwe nge7 zaka July
777.
bengivele ngikule
Uthini man?
bengivele ngikule kusho ukuthi bekuyihotmane bengiliadmire bekuyihotmane mangilibheka nge1000 ngifuna ukufana nale hotmane and malivabe belivanga ngathi liyachuka lakhe inyawo le1 liyachuka ya lachuka inyawo le1 while chuka lenyawo le1 lenyawo le1 leli bake balidubula eroundini mara wa escape waphumelela ya lichuka kanje lenyawo leli kusho ukuthi lilimele liphumile ilonda livane linye kusho ukuthi uvane linye ihotmane mina ngelicava baduta Ike ihotmane lakhona kusho ukuthi ngikhuliswa yilo ihotmane lengifundise around izinto zokuthenga izinto zama abona like ama auction bengivanalo ihotmane bengivanalo leli yilo like boku scheme sakamzuzu kusho ukuthi yabona manje nitha qaqa but nizo understand lapho kusho ukuthi la hotmane la bengivanalo la hotmane lingicocela istory zonke izinto over sengithela ihoti manje selangithela ngibeka ukuthi anamazi besenzana la hotmane la phela umuntu lona besithi masamba naye lo muntu lona yenze 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 ezinye izinto mfowethu
So ubugebengu benze ukuthi kube nobuloyi because mhlawumbe they would use witchcraft ukuthi baphumelele mhlawumbe ema roundini and stuff.
kanye ngicela ukuthi litelela aba actor kushaka ilembe yamanga lapha abozwide lapha njengoba no Oleli lakhe baspanisa ubuthakathi ukuthi bahehe inkosi ukuze bazoyibulala phela ungakhohle ukuthi icancer mfethu icancer is created by different tribes of people and the cancer I think hotman if I'm not mistaken ikasi labo ma 19 early 50s or late 40s lasikasi lakudala and malubheka ikasi from ama scope wakudala malubheka belimpunga bekumpunga bengana gate mina mangikhula ikasi lami bekuseshanga ama fence angaka yeah bekumpunga so you can see ukuthi okay it means lama families lawo avele nje wadampiwa lapha ukuthi nje hayi la ile poor working class abokhokho bethu abavele balahlelwa lapha bekumhlophe that's why bathi white city bekuvedi la balahlelwa la obvious bashiwa lapha so obviously kusho ukuthi ke manje kuhlangene Pedi kuhlangene Swati kuhlangene Zulu kuhlangene Xhosa mamela kuhlangene kwaSani and manje obviously mina makuhlangane kwaSani sonke la sibuya khona sifuna ukuhlatsana sifuna ukugqwaliselana ngiyabona ukuthi lo mama lo wala wenza kakhulu nami ngegiyani nami ngiyabona lo mama lo wenza kakhulu ngiyalekithi ematatiyele nami ngiyabona lo mama lo hayi baba wenye kubuye baba so thina masicoca no kuba ngathi hayi asithandi ikasi ngiyalithanda ikastami mfethu ngikhulele White City how can I hate indawo engikhulisile ngiyindoda engaka today ngithola ngikhuliswe yiWhite City but I cannot shy away from izinto ezimbi futhi engizibonile ekasi ezicishe zangishape ezintwana encane you understand because of ngintwana encane I had to watch abogogo baloye next door ugogo Mila oversibonda lincane mina futhi mengibabona ugogo Mila lapha yagogo uphephetane next door yini ephephetha next door why wena magogo Mila uzophephetha next door uphephetane next door magogo
nakunomunye ugogo lapha ngakini lo gogo la emi ekahlala kanje
hayibo
robele mawuye ebusuku aphithizile kitchen babuyapheka shuthi mawufika emi bongafuni ukuthi lo gogo lona awazi nokuhamba hlele stupid lokho njalo ekseni mhlawumbe uyaphuma uthamela ilanga hlele stupid korobele nje lapha jumpers aphithize elele bangitshela sengimdala ukuthi amkhumula ugogo so le gogo bekenzima
ngazodlala mfethu ekasa sibona ngimfene kuphela sibona izinto deeper than imfene
imfene first day
imfene futhi sayazi siyayibona ezulu imfene obviously besimangele ukuthi sibone kasi manje that phela into lesigcina masiyezungu ngama trip esikhela yabona I don't imagine ukuthi ngayibona that yabo mara kunale oyibona ukuthi le this one is not a normal one
kanjani
ngazodlala umuntu omncane badala sibancane
imfene ngathi umuntu
umuntu omncane ngungunyane ngijimi
wenzalo
wakhona
around
ngijimi ubanjiwe mini phakathi ukubambile
kanjani
kusho ukuthi umphakathi kudala ususpect ukuthi kunomgijimi lapha phakathi vele uye ngeke ngisho ukuthi kuphi mare White City kaSlam bengibhekile kanje live bangitshela kona I don't care bangazama ukungiloya ngeke basalunga manje mina manje baba ngiphethe ingadla ngihamba noYesu ngihambi ngedwa that's why ngibrave nokuthi ngikhulume kanje makathi nasintwana mfethu si traumatizekile sigcine cishe sa traumatizeka cishe salimala cishe saba condemned sibonga uNkulunkulu nje ukuthi asibhema ama drugs mina out ezibhaya outhame ngikhule nazo ama like age group yami mfethu siyingqusana esisurvivile siyingqusana siyabalwa esisurvivile mara mangikhuluma ngalezi zami ukuthi ngenze nazo izinto eziserious izinto ezibhedayo azisurvivanga mina ukuthi ngisurvive kanjani even till date that's why ngikwazi ukuma ngithi uNkulunkulu uyaphila because of ekasi angazodlala baba kasi lizokushape
umuntu omncane wenze
ubanjiwe ngenwele uzuyamemeza yinadlala ayizole sound engishayayo sayakhumbula namanje ngintwana encane still remember that sound I will never forget that sound I will never banjiwe ngenwele lezikhulu futhi lenye ezimnyama iqinile lele ngithafu futhi obuthafunyana yayibona ukuthi iyasquata la idea Kansas City Kaslam ngiyancanywa Kaslam ngifuna ukuthi at least manje si expose izinto ezisophi because of ekugcineni ubuthakathi bukhona ubuthakathi abukho eWhite City kuphela ukuthi nje susuke sazibona seseyintwana from abantu abadala abahlangene khona ekasi babona ukuthi the only way to survive kumele ukuthi sibe nezinto eziso uyabona ukuthi at least sizofaka fear you understand to some extent into akhona kumele siphile ngayo yabo but akusi White City kuphela uthami enobuthakathi kusi White City kuphela bayazi ama listeners emakhaya bayazi ukuthi maningi amakasi ekunobuthakathi kuphela so mina ngithi ngikhuluma ngekasi lami because of ukuthi ngikhulele ekasi lami so you can only speak about what you know
uthi nanokuthi noma thina abantu bayithi hayijoza kuthakathwa yabona abantu bayithi ukuthakatha kusemakhaya
ukuthi abakaze bakubona mina isister lami bake balithakatha ngibhekile
mina Antwami
bamthatha kanjani
isister lami lithi masithi boma 3 am 4 am liyavuka liyagida liyahlanya libamba inwele liyagula liyagida sithi yini atuhlaba amanaliti ngaphansi kanje
yebani
isister lami
mina baba omkhulu wami bathi uke wabuya endlini ngifuna ukusebenzisa igama le-right bekagidla endlini umfazi khona eKenza wabuya ngeshoti ubuya ngokushesha ekhaya athi angeke kodwa ubuya sekathi indlu umfazi ayinaphisi into wayibona lapha ihlangana nobuthakathi
baba
wabona into enzima
baba plus I think man usiswami man ube too much exposed to this lezinto lezobuthakathi. It's like sister lami man, I think kade bafuna ukul-destroy from liseselincane, like from asesemncane yabo. So ukuthi man it means uNkulunkulu. That's why asaphila. Hey maka isister lami mfethu dala lesibona mfethu. Asister lami khona elinye ikasi kade aqashe kulo. Kasi la khona ngangelishwe. Kasi la khona bekuhlala umunye uma olady noma olady lo usho ukuthi uma lo khona huyo umatwethu. Ubaba khona lamathamba ahlala hleli yabo temtem nje. Uyabona nje ile tshelwa ukuthi phakama wena. Sukuma wena. Ngiyakutshela. And every time mina mangiyada ngiyobona isister ngithi over sister eliqashe la. Every time mangiyobona isister behlala ngiconcern ngize ngiyime kancane la. Angithola manje ngibhekisisa le situation ngintwana mara ngizwisisi nginento engitshela ku Diamond le why le yaba ikhabishi kanje le. Hayi lo molile ngithi azini thinganaka indaba zabantu ngize kusisi wami. Up until ngelinye ilanga ke yazi seseyintwana sister alikho lingishiye nehontshi ngibambe. Mangibamba mangifika nogeli athi mayi mina amathini la ngeke ngilale. Ngithi why? Azamanye amantombazana kunabantu aba gifted. Yabona? Ngithi man gele why mfethu anginaho ngikhehle hladleni anginakhonta anginastedi. Ngangithola athi umntana athi nix ayingibele ngithi fede emjosho umntwana ngimkhaphe. Yabona? Ngibuye vele sekulate ngithina sizovela ngigidle la. Ngibuye la uthi ayi ngifika vele ngithi hayi la angicimi light la. Ngilala ngilayitile kanje. Ngithola uma obvious after boma 9 obvious noma already lo uyabona man emkhukhwini since kulayitile angicimi vele ngidala hayi angicimi la ngijwayelanga vele ukugidla yini ngithi after boma 5-10 minutes mhlakatsi okay ngithina mhlawumbe maybe unguwisele i-main switch uyabo ngithi that's fine thi qhubeke ngisigidlele it's fine uthi after boma 20 minutes ngisagidlile hey ngiswa kuyabanda emkhukhwini
kude sana
hey ngathi kuvula ifridge mfethu kuyabanda emkhukhwini kuyabanda emkhukhwini mfethu ngivala amehlo ngisaba ukuvula amehlo mara kuyabanda mfethu ngibathile mara kuyabanda uthi
yebo
hayi khona into ethikima mfethu ngiyakuzoloku ubhizulele kanje lokhu vula amehlo abona mina futhi mangilele ke ngathi abathakathi bavele baziveze same thing le yenzakala edladleni yemfene mangivula amehlo limile la empedeni limile mfethu la naked angikutshela manga into engayijumpa yona uthi ngalishiya la vuliyani iminyango balekiyani
now subale ku naked
ngifuthu at least bengigcokile grand mina futhi ngisisentwana incane bengagidli intwana ngiyokugidla endaweni ongayazi mfethu naked bengigcokile grand ukuthi ngabaleka maybe into engayishiya maybe ibhathu mara into engiyaziyo nje ukuthi ngadla phansi kulo yamuzi lo ya ngakukhomba na today ngithi kula here yangithola so thina awuthi masicoca mfethu asicoca izinto ukuthi siyaclaima or izinto that we experienced ourselves. Mina experienced all these things. Isister lami edladleni hey mfethu edladleni awutham bukune sport emkhukhwini ethama noolidi obviously ethama lithe malisa shizila obviously iolidi agcina lishaya abona indawo ukuthi apashwa bekayenza before ethama lisesekhona but it was not that big ethama lithe malivayo olidi head ukuthi afocus kuyo ngoba le nto ihead ukuthi kube isinkwa sethu yabona sizamezanya nokuphila so obviously masiyingosi sogidliswa va endlini enkulu emzimkhulu yangithola like obviously ijarity then already bekade bakhe something umkhukhu nje omkhulu ngaphandle so silaliswa endlini ngamagogo umasigidla ngada endlini ngamagogo sisodwa singabantwana bamagogo basemavali out of nowhere I think maybe is one of those guys akade baphuza la edladleni weza la edladleni awangena la endlini la isikhona obviously is accessible abantu abadala they know ukuthi uyangwangena bayangena bazosicheck la uthi lema ingena laphayana ongena laphayana trying to rape isister lami phambi kwami akangashanga ama flying kick leya Clever akangashanga ama flying kick kuyisister lami nalibambile la iluma ukuthi lishanga encane nami ngishanga ama flying kick ukuthi aba sikhapha ngezinye izinto ngikhapha ngamatshe eKenza izinto besis experience asiyintwana bake bacithi bashisela kulomkhukhulo ngokutshela ngawo lo olidlami nethama lami kaze sa shizila bese supplementary isister bathu Francina sister la khona belibuya I think belibuya leSotho Free State belibuya nje le so liza ngayi eKenza linandawo yokuhlala so olidlami lithi man woza uzoncenga up until ube sharp la sister kuba kwalo edladleni it was a blessing in disguise I think if la sister la azange lathunyelwa edladleni ngaba maybe sashela emkhukhwini yimi iOlidlami ama sister ama2
banishisela ini
emfethu iOlidlami kusho ukuthi maybe kunomuntu amshaya ngestina ongazange afile kahle because of phela ithama malisedanyana mfethu aboma Olidi yabaza aboma Olidi bithi I mean understand mfethu I mean unjivale bamshanga 10 years mfethu yabona unjivale naye vele bekasidala vele sasangaphandle phela mina uthama azibe ngintwana enjani bengintwana neutral mina bengabhayisikele emise timer bengabhayisikele emise Olidi kusho ukuthi amine emidlile yangithola noma bala phambi kwami bazolwa maybe ngizolamula whatever lengilamulayo if yabo then maybe khona umunye naye ngizombeka esayidini the day lo angekho yabona nalomunye naye ngizombeka esayidini the way angekho yabona so itime nalo before vele liyoshizila itime nami vele bekumuntu yabo yabe intsumbi kakhulu bekwazi ukuvana nami intwana ngisho ukuthi eclecta ukuthi angiboni I think noma 5 years no ayiboni ngisakhumbula even nala sayakhona indladla la khona saze safika ngisangayitshela namanje ukuthi safika la ulila khona la ngiphakela nebeetroot namakhananasi nama what ngayitshela ngithi hayi ngisakhumbula yonke into ngiyazi ukuthi bojola la ngiyazi bojola bovana nami mos bengizibona lesi
and then the White City is just a normal
mama it's normal in fact that's like isikhule kanjalo that's why I tell me abona manje uvuse ezinye izinto mfethu abona izinto ezo enza abantu ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi hayi that's why lo muntu lo aso yabo it is not that I mean I'm a person that chooses to walk away because of izinto engazifunde kasi yabo mina from edladleni ngibonile ukuthi okay ngayazini abona makuso yashisa la hayi okay hayi yabona la makuso la it means la kuso so ngikhuleka intwana mina efundi life ayedwa ukuthi ngifunde because ngibona iyenzakala phambi kwami yabo so nali timer alikho lifahlakiwe itime already lihleli isizungu lamathama lawa nawo ayashelela yabo ngithola plus mina futhi I still feel even till date I'm still asking maybe hiding le time leli izofikelela kulo Opera Moses kusho ukuthi itime le firstborn ye Olidi isister la Opera Moses has never been there empilweni ye sister lami likhuliswe itime lami likhulisa mina ngazi ngikhula kanje nesister lami ngazi ukuthi mina nesister lami sishare itime le one mase siphapheme only sesibadala sengikhana ngazi ukuthi hayi sister lami linethama la khona bathu Moses bathi belini nama taxi le ona ama taxi khona lama side ama Dobsonville Holy Port so Opera Moses Mos if uyazazi Opera Mos ukuthi wahamba eGibhitha washiya incosi Opera Mos sister lami sizamile ukufuna the reason why I'm doing this is because of we tried looking for him I've driven sister lami around out we've driven around Dobsonville taxi rank going to our offices wakhona Holy Port offices yabona without help sister lami I believe ukuthi angathanda yabona ukuthi ameet ithama lakhe akafuni nix she just want to meet ithama lakhe and meet family yethu like I think uzoba grand because of my sister has been through a lot time. She has been through a lot. My sister has been through a lot. Yabo. So yeah.
Do you think ukushisa lento yesiwayithi bukustela sakho nje ukushisela abantu
Mfethu
emkhukhwini
kusho ukuthi manje lo magriza lo wazi umagogolo bokolo wa fuck dala lo mthakathi lo. Lo magogolo mfethu kusho ukuthi unekwali neolili lami. Magogolo yena urezothela ukuthi o bulala kwasani yena. Mkhukhubo sowusha uthami uFrancina siphume emkhukhwini oshayo umkhukhwini ovuthayo uzobeke netapate eminyango ukuthi ke ubambe grand mfethu.
plastic yababa
Simbamba ngotapate ukuthi ubani. Sifanisa itapate. Mangazange sayi approacha. Mari tapate ngithe mangibheka ngathi tapate. Nayi le tapate.
Ipiece.
Nabo loboya abalezinja nayi lenja. Ngathi alright. Ngiyazi ubani.
so bekayenzela indawo
Bukikwalo ukuthi uma olidi ujola ngeke ngisho ukuthi ubani ngoba mina ngizosho izojumpisa ngithi ngiyikhenje phezulu yabona but ziningi izinto ukuthi ekasi senza nezona yabona and I can see ekasi abantu ababhale never healed from our past and abantu ekasi manje abaningi sebazinikele kungombiyoni angithola amachita asinikele kuCrystal amachita asinikele enyawupeni because of kunezinto abangazange abakhona ukuzirelease awuthami sinamanxeba eKenza mfethu mfethu simagosogoso eKenza mfethu masingakhiphela ika
But the government the way yakhe khona lezindlu
apartheid
like uyabona ukuthi he was trying something bro izindlu zakhona indle one suppose ukuthi ngabe indle one ihlala ama family ayi3
ABC
nale way yakhe ngakhona nje
ayakhanga ngidina so ufike wabeka kuhlu like ibox iroof yabeka so
ngizodlala leza zindlu lezi amabasho bathi ngathi buku izindlu zama German amasoja
German style
daso ngathi kade bazibala kuyi camping site yabo mabasho abangangiphikisa if I'm wrong ama hotman ahot is fine nami information engitholile ya
style sokwakha
alright
the concrete esithi
azona khohlwa
ekuyibhidlise
azona khohlwa
but ubaba ka next door developer nje khona
hayi ukuthi udeveloper khona like
dala before kuhlukaniswa akusafani namanje manje bafuna umhlaba ushintshile umhlaba different angithola uzokutshela baba uzokutshela emfethu uzokutshela like abona like old city bowazi ungena from AB wazi ungena but manje abantu sabashaya amabonda manje mfethu akuzwanwa ke futhi namakwali yakufunwanwa ayibamba ayiluma ngasuka nje futhi abantu njengoba kuzoba iweekend kanje nje njengoba kuzophuzwa because of abantu bakithi sebazinikela etshwaleni uminister bheka icele wazowabiza ukuthi yini lesetshwaleni lenga awuthi angiphuza uthama maka ngiphuza ngetiming ngiphuza if kunesidingo sokuthi I'm celebrating something ngizovela nje ngiyaphuza nje
lapha everyday biya
mfethu amamela Kansas City babudlela ebhodleleni mfethu babudlela ebhodleleni impilo yakho impilo everyday
mina mabengisusa ngala bangiletha la bangisusela lokho ukuthi Thamalambili service la ngithola
wena ngcono ngoba uyangifakazela uthami ngoba at least yabona umfowethu une experience asewathi at least una something to say about lento engisikhulumayo kungabe ngathi mina ngiyapeta nje la
bengingena endlini ngiyintwana ngisi primary bengingena njengoba ngithe bengena nesikhathi sokungena endlini bengingena ngo8 9 ngene endlini bengingayibhemi insango mara bengingena nginuka insango ngiphuma emkhukhwini hleli namahormone intsango kune two plate la kwosisibindi strong 599 ngene endlini nuka intsango ethabela mali buye varsity didaya ngeke mfethu fonela urela ngitini umntana akahambe la ngeke ngizokhulisela umntwana la bafethu.
Mina uthami ngokutshela one thing for sure. When it comes to into zama drugs, into zama crystal, manyawo pe mangiti, market zonke lezi ezigabe nje ngesandla somuntu. Alezo ngazitshela mina self ukuthi lezi I will never touch. Yangithola. Ngasitshela mina since ngaba intwana from the age of 12 years ngisibhemile igada.
12 years.
Ikaso uzoyenzani? Yelazi cancer wena. Yazi White City.
Ngathi ngibuyela sinini.
Hey bafethu.
La makhulumani one of the makhulumani bengiblomana ngiyafika vele kulo umkhukhu besibloma. Yophi umuntu osona sexual umbiza ngegama. Athi umuntu osobusho uboshweni dashisela imili yakhe emkhukhwini. Yona mfethu umuntu emkhukhwini.
Emfethu. Yabona ukuthi uthini? Chisela imela kumuntu nini Godman shayimeli ngezembe la igeza la ibisela empetini la phuma. Oh Kansas City.
No recently few years back. No recently.
Azodlala.
2 years back. Kunentwana yaseKenza bathi yaqoba insizwe yaseProtea yamfaka efriji.
Mfethu. YaseKenza nale intwana lesimanga lesi ishayimeli ingosa abantu ama piece ifaka efrijini. Intwana yaseKenza bebloma nama outami. Bangafakaza.
But abantu abanonembeza lapho
phela. Oh, I think their environment was created like it was created very ukuthi
outama man abona ngikutshela one thing for sure. Abona now because we are exposing such things. The devil is a liar. The reason why we are talking about such things now, it is because of we believe ukuthi a change will come in White City. Why mele ukuthi kube White City kanti kunobumnyama? Something must give, something must change. I'm sure ukuthi nazi intwana zami zingilalele eKasi. I'm sure ama-Stereo ama-Hotman nethu emakasi asilalele njengoba siringa no. You understand? We need to wake up. Yabo, because of it shows like it's a proof ukuthi there was a dark cloud nje eyaphoselwa nje la eKasi. Ukuthi khawathe nje. Ingafuni ukubona any progress. Yabo. So thina abanye we are against such things mfethu.
Ngifuna ukethe kule point ukuthi Kenza inabantu abahlukile coming from different tribes or places. Mina mangibuza ithama lami ukuthi bafike kanjani eWhite City. Uma Grizam uphuma eKZN, ukhula uphuma eEastern Cape. Bathi mebefika ngaye eJozi, angani makuseKliptown but bebahlala eTent like ematendeni. Like ngathi biba bungasimi ikhukhu bathi bokuyi10 bokwakha emasakeni. Babe bahlala emasakeni before bazothola lezi zinto zaseWhite City. Babe bahlala emasakeni angazi into yakhona beku but apparently be somewhere la around Soweto maybe umaKliptown line mara bahlala emasakeni before bazothola lezi zinto lezi zaseWhite City bazobafaka khona. Bebahlala endaweni enjalo.
Apparently according to history le ndawo lela eCentral bathi Oppenheimer le ne tower apparently bathi yakhiwa ngegrep lezi abantu kade bahlala kuzo kudala bese the guy Oppenheimer ngobani wakhela abantu eKasi eCentral or izindlu bakhela abantu but iSoweto yena ihistory uma ilandelela yabona ukuthi yaqala kancane yaqala ngabo sofa sonke yangithola umagebhula yangithola yaqala ngalabantu labo bagebhula umhlaba lokubhizi ku-expandwa kusho ukuthi ke yangithola but nje bafethu even eOrlando bakhona base-Orlando abangafakaza abasho ukuthi hayi Orlando nakhona futhi Orlando besikhala mina ithama lami beliblome eOrlando libloma Deep Kloof icrime bekayenzela le crime ithama mikade ningayenzi eWhite City crime bekayenzela le ayoshaya amakati bekade bawashayela le ama plans wakhona bawenza le even nami ngintwana encane ngiyakhumbula beka umuntu ongithathayo unikwa nami eOrlando ngoba sihlalile eOrlando before size White City ngintwana I think mina ngifike eKasi I think nginawo ma2 or ngisengiyolanda i2 mangifika eWhite City but ngizalelwe eBhara ngahlala kuphi eOrlando then ba move abeze White City yabo so I crime I'm trying to say nje ukuthi I problem uSoweto yonke yangithola ngathi siyiSoweto singavuka sibone ukuthi ebafethu man angeke sizophila kanje
ufuna ukubuza Martin ukuthi isayenzeka lento le because mina mase ngianalyze nami White City nje bese ngibheka ukuthi from edladleni bese ngibheka lento le ukuthi hey kuna this generational thing elibiyenzeka uzobeka ngabomalume abomalume bangafuna ukuhamba ukuthi umuntu ukhulela kubo noma sekasipala uhlala kubo emkhukhwini akafuna ukuvaya
ngafuna ukuexplore
wasithi phela ama 2 room ndoda
obviously sibheka idladla
wona ngoma 15 2 room like literally camera
cancer
ngoma 15
maybe ne space inyana nje ukuthi maybe nishama room yana i2 ke emkhukhunyana wakho maybe yabo but akuna space da for ama family i3 mfethu masiranga nje ivar that's why
mara wahla
like that's why ama family futhi singazwani awuthama yabona that's why even nami edladleni kuneyinkinga ngithola ngikhulumeni mina abantu bangaphandle bayazazi but even nami edladleni emzini I'm still dealing neyinkinga because of sibaningi in one place yabo ngiyafonela one hey Martin lokho nango wabani yangithola it's because of sibaningi umuntu akana akakhona ukumove kahle we are compressed yangithola uya
ikhona ukuthi nje uvela singahamba kudala namla ikhona lento le ukuthi mhlambe abantu umuntu mhlambe maybe youth ya umuntu ohlala White City manje banayo lento ukuthi azi ufuna ukukhula ngivayo nyoka or ngispane ngibe right ngibe nendlu
ikhona la ngawuthama ikhona but looking at economy yethu the way ngakhona awuthama sometimes amanye amaphupho you know they become impossible yabona sometimes not ukuthi they are impossible but because of they are taking time ukuthi zenzakala amachita agcina relax mfethu yabo amachita agcina khohlwa ukuthi asangaphakama mfethu abeke istand enyana aye lapha e-free market ayostoka
abeke ukuloyela ukuthi usenza ngcono ngamatamati manje mfethu mangaba abantu abona mamela uthi abona mina manje ngikhuluma ngazo lento zobuthakathi the reason why ngikhuluma ngazo it is because of I know ukuthi if umuntu and then you want to be safe in such things kumele wenzeni trust in God mfethu uNkulunkulu athi I will bless those who bless you and I will curse those who curse you so if umuntu umuntu uzongiloya mina uthatha ama chance mina bring it on mangaba ni mameli nabathakathi lapho nasho ukuthi lo mgodoyi lo mangaba ningilalele lapho mamelani mina ngithi bring it on thina okusalayo we want to push change mfethu ngithola it's all about strength and hope we want to see positive things zenzakala no because we are tired of backwardness izinto shintshile manje mfethu technology yonke into izinto shintshile no mfethu into anazothumile ukuthi zibe out there yangithola zingavimbeki njengathi zingavimbeki njengama hotman ethu zingavimbeki njengama uncle ethu yangithola abona umfethu bekakhuluma ngama uncle ethu ukuthi ama uncle ethu ahleli kanje ama uncle ethu wa oppressed by system yangithola singawa blame ama uncle so blame whatever sithi ama uncle yini maka ama uncle masingathi sa checkisisa grand mfowethu usebenze isystem you understand because of ama uncle agcina soba yini ama criminal baba ama criminal kenzakalani aba nama criminal record ubona umuntu ozohire umuntu one criminal record so it means bayenza ngamabomu ndayini ukuthi laba sizoba oppressor sizobacindezela masiqeda ukubacindezela angeke sibagaye nama skills sizobayekela banje then masiqeda nje sizovele sivule nje wena ama border ngiyathola usuka abantu from next door hayi ukuthi ama against abafowethu abangaphandle thama lami la ngaphandle myself thama lami lafika lana ngama 70s mfowethu lafika ngamaphepha phelele azange la jump ama fence azange la gibela crocodile labeka nyama phambili ukuthi wena crocodile ilandela mina ngene South Africa thama lami ngene ngegate ngifuna nje ukuyiqondisa nje icace yangithola anifake
hayi
manje babeka inyama phambili ukuthi
angithi basho kanjalo mabasibiza amakwerekwere yangithola ubiza umuntu onesibongo esifana nesakho ikwerekwere do you know ukuthi even this surname Mashele it also comes from the surname Mashaba do you even know that you're even foolish because you don't even know your history that's why you are backward That's why Silas Wodwa, we are persecuting our own brothers and sisters. We don't know. I'm against umuntu osuka in fact I mean if umuntu azojumpa from manje angene la no la ejaredini azamukhipha I will cap singamyeka. Singamthitivate. Anyeke simeke sizodila naye. So nama I'm against abantu abasuka vele beza la country bazoganga mfowethu ngithola. Bafike la bathengisa ama drugs. Ngithola. Bafike la bakidnap abantwana bethu. I'm against such things. Ama paper wabo awaqondanga. I'm against such things. That one labo vele ba wrong mele vele ba persecute labo mele badile nabo mele ukuthi nje bathathwe labo bayafakwa ejele banikezwe maximum straf. Yayizwa lento le bese bathathwe babisele emakubo. Ngithola. I'm against such people
because at the end of the day these people are our brothers.
Mfowethu.
But yenza izinto ngendlela right.
Like wena kanje Chris. Like wena kanje wena Chris. If wena nje ubuhleli so, mangakufaka igelera yama Nigeria kanje. Uyi Nigeria lihleli liphelele.
How? Ndotesese.
Bafethu. Asukuthi ngiyakhomba. You are an African. You can show like you can even I myself. Mang drive eJozi ngishaye Uber. Umuntu makagibela phakathi bangikhulumisa ngesilungu.
Yeah, now
Up until ngikhuluma isiZulu. Umuntu athi ha. Ngithi hayi my sister, relax. No, we are Africans.
Khona India la imifele kela tikimi I from Somalia.
Uyangithola uThami. There's nothing it shows ukuthi kahle bekhona into ebizwa ngemigration. Our ancestors, they were busy migrating in Africa, exploring Africa.
In Nigeria.
Ufana nabo. There's nothing wrong. You look like them. Othami ngiyakutshela mangakuthatha ngikufaka uniform ephelele ngithi Igbo. Beke la yakhona uhlale la. Amamela.
You might find that mawulandelela history again. Like yabona mhlambi maybe 7 generations after you.
Yes.
Mhlambi uzobayithi ukuthi mina ngumZulu, mina nguzulu. Mara nasekalandelela ukuthi hey, ukhokho omkhulu wakho was from Mozambique. Akazi. You understand?
Ngiyangithola.
Ngenza ukuthi masolandelela ukuthi
Uyangithola. Like abobra Ike kanti obra Ike Khumalo. Uyayibona leya. Ngathi yale Congo. Uyayibona. Uyangithola. There's nothing wrong. There's not uyayibona leya. Uyayibona. Uyangithola. Emfethu uyasibona we are not normal thina mfethu. Uyasibona na. Uyasibona, uyangibona. Ngiyathola. Asinte blind out time. Ukuthi nje thina abantu abamnyama asilincanywe ivahari. Ngiyathola mfethu. Ivar asilifuni. And you can never experience the blessings of God over your life or persecute your own mfethu.
But kokunye we need to call ourselves brothers. Ane? We need to call ourselves brothers. If sisibiza ngabo bhuti we are brothers, we need to love each other.
Straight mfethu. Straight. Wenza kanjani? Uyenza kanjani?
Ufuna ungena endlini yami ask for permission as my brother.
Uyangithola wena mfethu.
Kumele sithandane vele.
Mfethu.
Mfethu.
Like kube nale.
Yabona. Indaba nawo manje bafika lana nabo bafika bayenza into ezirong bese mabaqedile nabo bayadelela asisakwazi nokuthi sibakhulumele ngoba masibakhulumela kuzothiwa hayi wena ungazongitshela wena we have Shangani then we have Xhosa. Yabona manje abantu bayangihlukanisa manje. You understand? So mina sengifela ukuthi ithama lami mina libuya eMozambique.
Yeah. Itricky ngoba yabona nami nje bangihleli la tshele nje Var. I have brothers who are half Nigerian.
Uyayizwa lady.
You understand? So ibuye be tricky lapho but all we want is abantu abayenze izinto ngendlela nangomthetho.
Mfethu moye abantu abadayisa ama drugs 80% yabantu bangaphandle mfethu. Our brothers bangama zombie ezisikhuluma mfethu yazi ebafisa ibhlungu lento yokubuka. You know mfethu yabona manje mangiphuma la ngidiba necousin yami ayibona nje ukuthi uyangibona kodwa angiboni ngithi awuphela mfana mncane kanjani ama drugs
mfethu yona futhi siyeke especially now as izinto zi-expose kade wezi-expose ngakhona from emadlanga commission bafethu. All we can say is that thank you to General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi
Mfethu. Yabona lo
usivula amehlo lo muntu
yabona uNtantala Mkhwanazi noma enazi izono zakhe kodwa uNkulunkulu komela amfake ezulu
emfowethu
Moses Mkhwanazi
mfowethu
komela yabona uNkulunkulu akumele yabona uNkulunkulu lapha nasingamncengela
abona lela Khotman bafethu
komela amfake
yabona lela Khotman bafethu lela Khotman lela salute Khotman continue doing umsebenzi
uNkulunkulu am protect
mfethu
nabo bosisuja sinthabo phayile umthatha abongizwe like mfethu like bese ngesikhona ukuvuka nje like uma kuthiwa abayenzanga lento abayenzile like mfethu abantu bayahamba manje
uJacinta wava legama leli Jacinta
hayi wakhona
igama lamaroma
yeah
waseKZN as Christian mokhulele Roma
nami ngithi hayi nami nguChris
okay
elangangani when uMartin
mina vele you can tell ukuthi vele le mina ngiyangiphike ngisho ukuthi ngiyaseMozambique thama lami la ngigaya igama lathi nguMartin yena wayibiza ngokuthi ngesilungu mara according to angada nguMartinch so even not Jacinta it's a Portuguese name
but abantu bayakwetha like njengamanje umuntu uthatha ubaba wakho is well traveled then athanda igama somewhere
but it's important again to know our history guys because phela iKZN neMozambique into one akuna fence you can just step in you can just step in remember guys you need to also remember and not forget history bengana mabhora la these borders were created by the Berlin Conference in 1884
1881 umama wakhe
washada ne foreign
engazi
usho kanjalo athi engazi
ukuthi uhlele kanje kuthiwe home affairs ushadile
umama
abone then bona they have to live naleso sibongo because umuntu angaphandle wafika wathi use ridings angithi izinto esikhuluma ngazo
ikhaya but kusho ukuthi the diamond watshontsha identity yaka mama
but angithi uyabona izinto abantu abazenzayo izinto esisho ukuthi abantu bangaphandle mina mfethu singabathanda
okay I can understand the fight now I can understand why she's so angry
nanokuthi mfethu is doing it for all of us ukuthi but you can't just come as you want and do as you please dog makuthiwa sishaya abantu makuthiwa sicosha abantu esithi bayizamela nkosi yami yazini but in fact they are killing us the reason why we want them gone they don't respect our laws in fact kuma pavement asikhona ukuhamba umuntu udayisa umkhuza manje msukudayisa amaveji la abuye ngakusasa wadayise ngenkani ama drugs ingane mfethu i-human trafficking siyazi ngabo
rough kakhulu
ingane ezincane mfethu
rough kakhulu
they can't say Africa for all Marxism in South Africa open borders in South Africa kuphela other African countries they don't want to open their borders
no you never isebenzi if kuzoba i-open border kumele ukuthi kube open border for all kube maybe ne smart ID from la ubuya khona ukuthi mawungena ecountry nethize mfethu nathi simove njengase Europe mfethu nathi simove njengase China nathi simove njengase United States why thina la eAfrica kumele ukuthi sibe namaphepha amaningi wena lokubhiza uqhuma uchaphachapha makabona nje they can move freely
kube neorder
i-order yes namisho lo ukuthi yes akube ne-order but nayo ugovernment wethu akayenza izinto ukuthi zibe lula for us Africans because they are making things difficult for abantu that's why abantu abaningi basithola sebajapa amabhola I'm not saying ukuthi it's right ukujapa is wrong ukujapa amabhola but abantu in fact when you are being persecuted when you are at the corner when you are hungry you will do anything to survive yangithola uthama asibeke nje straight yangithola not everyone useMalawi useZimbabwe useMozambique unayo imali ukuthi ahambe aye home affairs yaseKastla kayenza namaphepha lawo uthi babafuna imali engaka akana ulambile akanabani we one
manje ukwenza passport nathi South Africans baningi esana ama passport
yes ivari yes if but angimane sengizama ukuthi like sengikhulumela indaba ukuthi ugovernment needs to make things easier for abantu you cannot want to charge me ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ufuna ukungidentify ukuthi ngubani at least ke ngiyofaka ngiyaziletha kuwe ngiregister ke nginikeza amaphepha ukuthi ungazi ukuthi ngubani ngibuya phi ngapha ungangifuni ama 5000 kwacha nganganawo.
Na but Martin angithi uma uze country kumele usho ukuthi uzokwenzani study visa in we can't just say abantu abadocument but you must have a purpose ukuthi la ngoba ngeSouth Africa ngiyokwenzani because iqala lapho umuntu ozosukuma athi ngiyosurvive eSouth Africa uma ufika unamsebenzi awunamaphepha unana so government act okay sikudocument
okay Chris ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uthini let's say ke mina ngizala eSouth Africa ngizelela eSouth Africa nje uzozifunela egarden
awazi kodwa nakukudelela lokho ukuthi uzosuka leyo wena uzokwenza ama garden la mfethu kusekudini
udelela kanjani
awenzi ngane ekhaya
bafethu Chris ngicela ukubuza something athi thina ama South Africans there is something esikhohlwayo la sikhuluma le ngathi ngiyagcobisela nomlomo le serious kakhulu kuna something esikhohlwayo
dangerous ngani into yokudocument abantu who are undocumented this is saba documenter la number 1
they need to look at
ungasigaya i-false information number 1 usinike ube negama elisha
serial killer
don't serial kill uyafuna
yeah fuku i-document
abadocumented from i-country yakho into ngisho ukuthi e-country yakho abayenza izinto zibe easy ukuthi ukhona ukutravel eAfrica nathi ngum-South African nami like eMzansi abangenzeli izinto ukuthi zibe lula ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngitravel because of bafethu tina we are acting as if South Africa it's a special country. There are many South Africans who are not in South Africans who are not in South Africa who are busy in Europe in America abaklinayo
ngendlela right
yes ngendlela right so if wena mfethu uzothi une problem ukuthi mina ngena eSouth Africa ngizofuna igarden usho ukuthini ukuthi ngiyadelela
how ndoda
no my man
Moses sinaba
kusho ukuthi South African naladelela ukuthi le Europe lofuna umsebenzi lokuyophipa omkhulu leyo 95
Europe no
but angithi umthetho wecountry uthi umuntu okumele asebenze la umuntu okumele eSouth Africa ezosebenza umuntu one skill esiscarce la eSouth Africa
yabona makabafethu Chris nayibona na
le mithetho ngizothina ngithi sihlonipha
nayibona na le mithetho le ukuthi nayo sometimes ayikho fair le mithetho lela ayikho fair even for thina South Africans
mama lazi njani into leyo ibhekeka so my dog lento enzeka la eAfrica as a whole it's deliberate yes wenze example ngeEurope number 1 they use one currency which is euro they have open borders they travel freely across Europe ane ile nto isho ukuthi it should happen la eAfrica abelungu will never allow that because number 1 if that's the case gokunye you need to have one currency as Africa
yabona sikhala ngabondlebe esikhanyilanga so kahle kusho ukuthi into esishoyo la sisho ukuthi abondlebe ikhanyilanga bane power over impilo zethu is fine ayithi ngafakazi
uGaddafi wanted that ukuthi as Africans sibe ne currency one as Africans sikhona ukumove freely in Africa bamenzana uGaddafi they killed him ubulawa yizingam abayifunda then because what they doing is divide and conquer if singaba united
so sharp ngalento leyo thina
so sharp I'm trying to show you inkinga ukuthi kuphi ukuthi akusinto ingayenzeka but kunabantu abayi-oppose abangafuni ukuthi iyenzeke lento leyo imagine like we need to like imagine Africa ioperate njenge Europe ukwazi uthola ama traveling document kulula ukuthola iPassport kulula ukuthola ama traveling documents uyakwazi ukuzimbabwe nje kahle ungena
ubuye kube ngathi cases
straight
akekho umuntu angaba yikho lento le esibhekane nayo fela ngaba yikho if very Africa befana njenge Europe ngaba sikho la but abayifuni ibe njalo because iAfrica on its own nje is strong in terms of ama resources bafuna ukudla so they need to divide
so they want to continue exploiting iAfrica lekungakhona so thina it means we need to just sit behind nje and relax and fight over indaba zokuthengisa amakhabishi and forget about
and right lapha
and forget about
lezinto eziserious
lezi zenza amabhillion abasifuni kuzo zona yabafethu come on guys
but no Martin siyabonga
athi ngibuza Martin question one
show me out
yase White City kunendawo engidala mara noma isesekhona bathi kwaNjombi eKenzo eCavu
angiyazi ukuthi yanini le ndawo le kaNjombi
maybe uma 2016 15 lapha
lapho abona lapho bengasa like bengasa umuntu westrata phela mina
noma sengisho ukuthi ukuyazi nami
maybe lama customer bathi kusemarikana khona ikase customer bathi kusemarikana lapha ku busy lapha yonke into ikhona lapha
lapha ufuna idlala thengiswa idrug gcola amantombazana athengisa ngomzimba
ngiyo ngidiyo ngisho ukuthi wena kahle ngicabanga ukuthi ukhuluma ngasemarikana ngiyalibona le kasi ukhuluma ngayo yini kasi ukuthi eKenza
yenziwa lento engisho
kakhulu ukudlula yonke kusho ukuthi lafana uthola yonke uthola vele mawufuna ukuthenga intombazane uyithola uyithengele ibheme yonke
yes ngalelo kase
kasi lami mfethu eKenza Kansas City now yezwa
abangikhuluma ngento ngo2015 mina mawuthi sasekhona namanje
mfethu angithi ama drugs asesekhona as long as kusakhona into efana ne drug you must expect such things to happen because these things are expensive and amanye amantombazana they tend to ukuthi basinikele ukuthi azothola enye fix
abangumthengeli idrug uhamba uSneymar umthengeli idrug 50 rand
mfethu
nali
fast quick in a hurry
indoda
no time wasting now uyazi pheka now usemqondweni
uyanika wena lento uyizele nawe
mamela le ayisogolisani mfethu even empintsha yakho nayo mangeza enye nayo ithi nami thing iyangena nayishaya ingene enye nayo ngenisha that's why customer ku easy ukufahlakwa customer ungafahlakwa nje easy Kenza ke lelo ke kasi mina ngibuya kulo baba lapha na ayibamba iluma
sho eksafuna ukuphinde nge konye siyama like kusimanga lapha yalibona ikasi ukuthi vele
yazishova la ngase engine
garage
nje lapha ola amara lapha sekungcono man azapha phela lapha kuyigasi lamadayisa serious
emva kwamadayisa
lapha nabodlela udayisela serious ubona makuthiwa emadayisini before amadayisa azomuvela la amajabulani phezulu la ngase garage manje
ePP
amadayisa amakhulu a serious amadoda bawadlala ngamaring emshado
izindlu ndo
edla
bambisa
mfana
like James ubambisa ngemedia yakho uthi mamele ngiyabhesha mangihlela indoda yami yokoleka endlini
baba thola ihleva sebiya ibhayisi bayishaya iring yayo elani iring yomfazi endlini ashana iring yomfazi
kusale kungashadiwe
umuntu nomuntu manje seka ene uwazi ke ubona mase kunjalo and futhi azinento into esirenzakala eKasi lami hayi thisiziyekele lezo maka amajite eKasi awekela ukudlala nabafazi lento le into enza ukuthi sizonda neWest ahloniphaneni majimbosi hlukanani nabafazi bami mangabe uyazi ukuthi ubani banushane outside kweCava yaseKasi hlukana nomfowethu ngoba kunabafethu eKasi abale bafa ngalezi zinto lezi abafethu abale bafa for zona lezi zinto lezi simple hlukana nomfazi kamfowethu okuhlukana nomfazi weout oyiCava ukuthi uyayicava
liqiniso
ngoba amanye amadoda sewa investe kaningi sewa investe kakhulu lapha azokulemaza
nete bekuyiCasino lapha amadesi azidala SABC1 bake bashaya documentary yayo lapha amadesi lapha eGuest House lapha
the biggest
lo bezibuya lapha kudliwa ama 200,000
because lento ye gambling is spirit now
spirit umoya mfethu igambling wafita ikogrela as gambling wafita gambling ayabangishaya imali eshebo mina bangithuma ishebo eCarlton Center banginikile 5 clip ukuthi hamba uyothenga lapho upatanisa amavors upatanise lapha yabona ukuthi sizophusha iviki olady imali ogqina mangifika lapha mangingena lapha eCarlton Center lapha yazi nomshindo ophusha imali yemuva ubona ngathi yawa ucabanga ukuthi bangafaka ekhona one mayothi ichase sebesizovela coin yazi umshini loyo dangerous machine that one
Thola ukuthi ukhipheleka kancane
baba baba bengiseseyintwana da I remember very well bheka bangishaya imali mfethu esishebo zange lingigande kanje oleli lami bengicela ubona oleli lami lingiganda kanje wabona umuntu lakuganda ngasazi ukuthi le njalo engiyenzeni manje yangithola for the first time ngibona oleli lami livuka ekseni lengivusa vuka Maulidi kambani Maulidi Polystars oleli lami umuntu oqala kungibophisa Yadala baba angifake Polystars oleli ke vele balibiza mama yini yangi ngizovula ikhesi yini lo mntana lo Makhata ngibiza ngintwana encane mfethu ngintwana man I was still young man mangibizela bangifaka la ekhantini ngifaka la benzeni umfana ngitshela ke oleli ke selikhipha namanye amafayili ke manje bengamela ngaphume siwaphuma wonke ke amafayili ke manje adale khathi lokubhiza ngipheka wahlupha umama wona endlini wahlupha umama lapha endlini wona wahlupha yabona into ezinjalo but oleli lami nguye umuntu oqala olowazama ukungiqondisa but trust me yathama abona ithama lami mfethu lethama lisedanyana ayi mina ngela ngabaseleke namakhotman bengabona ikazi bowangibasela mfethu ngiyohlala ungabasele kwintwana encane ngoba uhlala ubona amakhotman ayenza izinto amakhotman ahlala akhuluma izinto uyangithola the only thing njengoba bengisho ukuthi the only thing ebengisikhuza kuyo mina it was drugs I like bengwasaba bengifila ngathi azongenza ianimal bengifila ngathi ngizoba dangerous yabona because of othamba ngitshontsha yabona manje bengifila kahle ukuthi abona manje mangizobhema ama drugs ngeke ngisatshontsha lezi ngisitshontshayo ke manje ngizotshontsha izinto ezi dangerous that's why ama drugs ngile ngawasawa hayi ukuthi in otherwise ama drugs now
utshontsha lezi zinto ezincane
mina mfethu ubuganga kwami mina bukulight yes inkunzi ile yabakhona but inkunzi azange yaba too much then maybe nokugqekeza amajaredini abantu you understand but lezi phela ama drugs yazi ama drugs yazi fix masefuna ifix nasomela ukuthi phela mina amakhotman ekasibe ngwabukela mawabhema mfethu buwaqhaqa nebhande mawazobhema indanda bawaqhaqa la abelusi
yebani
ya relax ukuthi mali bamba ibhodlela yeah before uzolibamba uyizwa ukuthi le clever lento eyenzayo iyayincanywa kudala ihalele uyizwa ukuthi le clever le iyayincanywa la iding ngabukele kanje masiwashana ekhohlela la
sho imali drugs elimoshile yazi
makindanda yona better blind daninyawupe necrystal phela lezi ndlala zakhawatha zakudamage amawuthama ethu mfethu ngisakhalana no they were young to die like that because of crystal mate because of ama drugs bashawe ngikhuluma ngamajita ngikhule nawo mfethu so kusikhula sonke ngikhuluma ngamajita esikhule nawo hayi ukuthi amajita ngwaziyo mfethu engazi everything engakutshela everything ngithola they ended up giving their lives to drugs and obviously mase phema ama drugs mele ukuthi uyotshontsha mase uyotshontsha utshontsha abantu aba wrong nobanye abantu aba wrong ngabatshontsheli
sure Martin, thank you so much for coming my brother with an eye-opening episode. Thank you so much.
ayabonga bafethu
Highly appreciate it. Shout out to everyone who's watching and shout out to White Seed community. Hey, ngisaba ukufa. Ngisaba ibhadi wethu. Ngiyanisaba nezwe.
hayi baba sewesithi
malukisha nzima la
sala amanye amakasa anzima phela nina ngayi obvious kata amanye development la phela onke amakasa acale ngama 40s 50s bangakutshela imovie abantu abakhona abakhulele da
Yeah.
I'm definitely sure ukuthi umuntu nomuntu okhulele ekasi lakhe lisaqala they all have a story to tell baba
James, we out.
danko